What's going on, guys? We are out here today at HKS. We've brought our STHQ built XK70 Tundra because we're going to help the guys at HKS with the install and the release of their new Hypermax Performance Damper System. What is the Performance Damper System and why is it great? Well, let's first talk about who it's going to be for. Guys, we've got one coming out for the 4th Gen Tundra, the 3rd Gen Tundra, and the 4th Gen Tacoma. Now, like we're saying, what is this? Well, the best way to explain it is a chassis damper system. We're going to use these Hypermax Performance Dampers up in the front. It's going to come with all of your necessary bracketry and hardware to link that chassis from side to side. Out back, we've also got a longer version of the Performance Damper that's going to go back there to do the exact same thing. Again, with all your required bracketry and hardware, this is a completely bolt-on installation. Spoiler alert, I've gotten to drive this truck with these systems installed on them both on and off-road. And immediately you're able to feel that increase in chassis dampening. In all of your side-to-side movements, in every avenue, you are going to feel that extra control.